Hey Daybreakers, Coach Michelle here. We're going to go over a snatch progression today. All you need is a broom handle if you don't have a PVC. So I just unscrewed the broom from here, and that's all you need equipment-wise today. This video is going to move a little faster with fewer explanations for those of you who are a little more advanced, or if you've done the other video and feel like you've mastered it. Again, like the other video, try to prep by doing the mobility video that we've posted along with these before jumping into this. You'll be nice and warmed up for these movements. All right, let's jump right into it. Like I said, we're going to move a little bit faster, and we're going to do 5 reps of everything just like in the other video. I'm going to do 2 facing you and then 3 from the side so you can see it from all angles. Here we go. We're going to jump right in. All right. So just like the other video, I have a nice wide grip. All right, the bar is sitting in my hip, so if I pick my knees up, it's not moving, it's right in my hip crease here. I'm always gonna start each movement with my feet under my hips. I don't wanna start wide. I will jump each time into my squat stance, so my feet will get that little bit wider, all right? So, same flow as last time. We're gonna move a little faster though. Dip and drive to start. So my chest is up. I'm going to dip, extend. Again, from there, dip, extend. I'll show you again from the side. Dip, extend. Dip, extend. My long arms are staying nice, long, and loose. We're going to add a high pull to that. All right, so I'm going to come again from the front, show you 2, and then 3 from the side. We're going to continue like this. Dip, drive, high pull. Dip, drive, high pull. Moving to our muscle snatch. Dip, drive, high pull, turn and punch. Remember that bar's landing, locked out, pressing through. Good. I'm going to get 5 presses now. Okay, my feet are still under my hips, pressing through as hard as I can from every part of my upper back, shoulders, locking out those elbows. Good. Keeping that bar on my back, I'm going to drop. Now is where my feet start to move. So from under my hips to my squat stance, I'm going into a quarter drop. Stand, reset the feet. Stand, reset the feet. From the side, I'll show you. Now we're going to start to put it all together. We're going to work from the hips all the way down. First one is that 1-inch dip. My chest is still up. I'm going to combine everything together, speed and timing. Okay? My hips always open before my elbows start to pull with all the movements we're going to do. Notice my feet moving to my squat stance. All right, we're moving down now, pulling from the knees. Now is all about timing. All right, so from that 1-inch dip that we just did, we're going to push our hips back and our chest down to the top, and the bar down to the top of our knees. Our chest is staying over this bar. All right, I'm gonna go in reverse direction, dragging it up my legs, hit my hips, extend, come underneath, okay? We're gonna do it again. Dip, push down, drag it back up, find my hips, jump, and pull myself under. From the side now. And last piece of our power snatch is taking it from the floor. So we're going down to mid shin. Okay, so the same 1-inch dip, top of the knee. Now I'm pushing that bar straight down my legs, bending my knees to get to that mid shin. We're going back in reverse direction. Shoulders, hips rise together, pulling my knees back, top of my knee. Now I'm doing just what I did in the last movement. Drag it up, find my hips. I'm gonna jump, finish that movement. Let's do it again from the front. Now I'm going from the side, All right, guys. So we've gone all over all of our timing, our pulling. All right, we're gonna add our squat in now. So first thing, just to make sure we're ready to squat, that same wide grip, overhead, press it out, feet in your squat stance, and you're gonna get 5 overhead squats. Make sure those hips are getting below the knees every time. Don't lose tension up on that bar. Constant pressure up. All right. Now we're gonna practice dropping. Speed is key here. So bar in our back, feet are moving from under the hips to our squat stance. First one's gonna be a half drop. All right, so you're aiming for about parallel. Always stand up with that bar still locked out overhead. And from the side. All right, full drop now. 5 more reps. Full squat, get as low as you can. Don't lose tension on that bar. Speed. How fast can you get into that squat? Remember, that bar should already be locked out when you get there. Shouldn't be pressing out at all. All right, now that we've got our speed under the bar, we're gonna add our movement from the power snatch earlier with that full drop under the bar. All right, starting from that hip again, we're gonna do knees, and then from mid shin. All right, so remember that 1-inch dip, we're sitting right in those pockets. We're gonna explode and then get under that bar as fast as we can. 5 reps. And from the side. Remember to keep it close. Don't rainbow out in front of you. Those elbows must pull. All right, we got 2 more sets to do. We're gonna go from the knees now. Nothing changes from the power squat. We got that 1-inch dip and that push down to the top of the knee. We're gonna drag back up in reverse direction. Remember, long arms, straight arms. Wait until you find your hips. And from the side. And our final movement, taking it all the way from the floor. All right, hips, knees, bend to get to mid shin, right? Knees pull back, chest raises, find the hips, and go. That's it, guys. Remember to keep moving those feet to your squat stance. It's gonna help you pull under that weight faster. Final rep. All right, guys, and that is our squat snatch, power snatch, everything at speed. Keep practicing. Nice work.